Color, color, color. It is absolutely explosive. It is everywhere. And it's not going anywhere, guys. So it's time to be able to convert your spaces with a little bit of color. And I'm going to show you how. It starts with what inspires you with color. Just think about people, think about places, and think about things. For me, people. Right now, who's hot, hot, hot on the scene is Bisa, Bisa. She is an amazing artist that she does things with quilts and does portraits with quilts. I recently was in Washington, D.C., and was able to see one of her extraordinary pieces in the Smithsonian. It was a picture of Harriet Tubman. It is absolutely extraordinary. I was just in awe, taken back by not only the design, but all the details and nuances, the blues, the reds, the dramatic black that's in there. Absolutely stunning. And it's all quilts. Isn't that amazing? It's amazing. Look her up. So that's someone that definitely inspires color for me. Places. Oh, how can I say Arizona? Arizona is so stunning from the dawn to the sun going down. Absolutely stunning. It was in Sedona, and I was driving to Sedona and just couldn't help but to pull over and take some magnificent shots of the mountains that are there. And then again, things still in Arizona, but was with my family. My cousin has formulated this magnificent garden in her backyard, and the colors were just enticing. They were dramatic. They were just yummy. And speaking of yummy, it was lemons and grapefruits and greens and eggplants and chives. Everything you can think of was in that garden, let me tell you. And the colors were absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So again, what colors inspire you? Take a look around your room. Take a look as you're driving. What inspires you? And incorporate that into your spaces. It's a great way. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about detail of primary colors and of course pastel colors, because there is a fine line, guys. And I want to make sure that you understand where that line lies. You really want to be able to incorporate one or the other. It's very hard to be able to mix and blend the two. So make sure that you can identify whatever color that is, and you want to add some more to it. They are in the same family. Make it a family reunion, okay? So it's either pastels or they're more of a primary scheme. Or as most people talk about, they're either warm or they're cool colors. It's very, very important in design to make sure you have a flow, because that's what it will create, a flow. So the other thing that we want to challenge you about is finding that color, but now I want you to incorporate that into your space. How do you do that? By pillows, by accents, by rugs. Make a theme. I have a client that I'm recently working with. A lot of the details that she had in her space when I got there was very, very gray. But she was inspired by the themes of holidays. So for example, when I went into her space, she just Valentine everywhere, love hearts, love was in the air. So again, when we were designing her space, I wanted to incorporate some warmer tones for her space and bring a little bit of life, like she was doing with her accessories for the holidays. So again, thinking about pillows, thinking about rug elements, thinking about what different nuances. So we tried a couple of extra kidney pillows, a couple of extra pillows on the sofa, anything to really try to draw your eyes and make the space happier. So she's also thinking about now going back and coloring her walls, and that's okay, because the brighter the space is, I really believe the more livable and more comfortable your space is going to be. One of my other clients that I'm recently working with and haven't finished a project right now is all about color. Color, trust me, color. When I entered into her space, she has all these different ideas. She actually had a vision board of all the colors that inspire her, and they are throughout her home. What she has hired me to do is really take a look at her living and dining space and incorporate what she's already done and polish it up. So again, she is very sophisticated, but she's very playful. So how do you create that playfulness, but also giving you a little bit of touch of class? So that's what I'm working with right now, and I'll be more than happy to be able to show you that project when I'm done. So again, the challenge today is, guys, go into your home, take a look at what your favorite color is, and try to apply it to your space. It's supposed to change. Like I told you a couple of weeks ago in my segment, my first segment, I'm all about green right now. Green is like everything. Let me show you. A little bit of green, a little bit of green, a little bit of green. I am loving these new glasses that I've gotten, and I just decided to go bold or go home. And so that's what you can do with your spaces. Have fun with it, enjoy it. I bet you it's going to make you a little bit happier. It's going to make you happier. So guys, as we recap today's segment on color, I really want to know, and make sure you put them in the comments, what color inspires you? Is it green like me? Is it red? Is it a primary color like blue? Or could it be mauve? Could it be rose? Could it be living yellow? Whatever inspires you, let me know. And do your best to incorporate it in your space. Start somewhere small, maybe the bathroom, maybe putting colored towels in your bathroom instead of the normal white. Bring a little bit of pop. Maybe you can change your drapes in your bedroom, or maybe just a couple of pillows on top of your comforter. Whatever inspires you, and just make your way in to your living spaces, your kitchen, your family room, and your living room. I know you can do it. I know you can. All right, until the next segment, I look forward to seeing you again. Take care. Bye-bye.